Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to tackle a topic that's been highly requested, comparing programming languages and discussing which one is more profitable. Whether you're an aspiring software developer or just interested in the tech industry, this video is for you. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with all my latest videos on programming and technology. All right, let's get started. Now, it's important to note that profitability can vary based on various factors such as demand, supply, and industry trends. However, to provide some insights, we'll consider a few primary aspects. 1. Job market demand. The number of job opportunities available for each programming language. 2. Average salary. The average income potential for developers specializing in a particular language. 3. Industry application. The range and versatility of industries where the language is commonly used. I'll take you through the most widely used programming languages like Python, JavaScript, Java, C++, and more, and discuss their potential profitability in terms of job availability, salary prospects, and industry demand. Now, let's take a practical approach and see some coding examples in each language. We'll explore projects, code snippets, and real-world scenarios to showcase the strengths and applications of these languages. As you can see, each programming language has its own unique strengths and purpose. Python may have a high demand in data science, while JavaScript dominates web development. However, the profitability of a language can also be influenced by other factors such as your proficiency, experience, and geographical location. So, which programming language is the most profitable? Well, the answer ultimately depends on your interests, goals, and the job market in your area. It's essential to choose a language based on your passion and long-term career aspirations. That wraps up today's video on comparing programming languages and their profitability. Remember, the programming world is ever evolving, so constantly learning new skills and staying up to date is crucial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And I'll see you next time with more exciting programming content. Until then, happy coding!